Welcome to Tillamook. Right on this busy highway here. We're at the Tillamook Cheese Factory, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go find myself a geocache, and then we're gonna go in the brand new, spanking brand new, like brand new visitor center. And of course, I brought my mask. See, to go inside, you gotta have this. You gotta have your mask on. But I'm outside. I'm away from everybody. But we're gonna go find our geocache. See those workers over there? They don't realize that over there is a geocache. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can track that down. I wonder if they do any work down here. Let's take a look. There it is, Tillamook cheese being made. I'm getting a grilled cheese sandwich right away for this thing to beat for me. I got a grilled cheese sandwich and some.
You thought I was kidding about 20 packs of
ketchup. All right.
I'm still fried though.
Some French fries. And a
grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese with lots of
French
butter.
fried grilled cheese.
Butter and fries and not bad. All right, I think I'm in the area. Check this thing out. The ship here in Tillamook. Let's check it out and then we'll go down for our little geocache here. Alright, you guys, there it is. Ooh, look at that little path tag. A couple travelers, some cash in the cache, some ketchup in the cache. Alright, anyway, this is the first of our cache of the day, first cache of the adventure. So stick around and come back and check out for more coastal adventures on the Oregon coast. And with that, I'm gonna sign this geocache, put it back, and I'll see you on our next adventure of GeoJerry's Adventures. So come on back. And I brought my new geocaching device with me, so you have to check that one out. See you guys later.